What's up, everybody? So I want to take the time today to unbox something that I bought from a homie that I've been looking for as a set. He posted this on his IG story. He posted on his IG story and I hopped on it immediately. I had to have it, man. I have one part of it I'll explain to you guys, but this is a complete set. So together, he bought it. It's basically BNIB. So let me unbox it, man. I'm too stoked for it. Let's do it. All right, so here's the box. Got a JHP sticker over here. Let's go. Sealed on this side too. The address on here. Can't show you guys that, man. Come on. So yeah, it's all sealed in there. I'm probably gonna open it from the JHP side. Start opening this thing here. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh yes, bro. If you guys don't know what this is, I'll show you guys right now, man. Brother. Oh, bro. Blue stickers. Woo, woo. Let's go. Powered by Honda. Wow. There's another one. I bought 3 things. Let's go. Just like how people eat with bibs, I put little napkins for my car parts. Let me unwrap these for you guys here. Oh man, this thing is so beautiful, man. My boy put some good tape on this thing. Oh yeah. What did my boy? Oh, the front right here. There you go. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, bro, this thing looks so nice. This one right here. I do appreciate the nice wrapping that my boy did. So I bought these from my boy Spoon_EM1 on IG. The spark plug cover and the oil cap, those are, they're out of their boxes because he used them once at WECFest 2019. I don't even care. I would have still bought them used or BNIB. Practically, I still would consider them BNIB. I mean, technically they're not because they've been used once, but whatever. They're still fresh, they're still new. It's hard to even come across these just used. So you can even imagine trying to find these BNIB is even more insane. Just like this one here. So they would have still been BNIB. The thing is that I have them, man. That's all that matters. I don't care if it's BNIB or not. I have them and they are fresh. So that's all that matters. This is the oil cap. That's the spark plug cover, and that's the battery tie down. It was like an optional accessory kit. I think if you go on the actual dealer or on the website, I think these fall under accessories, under electrical. So they have accessories for exterior, interior, and then electrical. I think these fall under electrical. And they are just fresh, man. I mean, this is beautiful. It's basically mint all the way across. Same thing with the oil cap. And this, it just speaks for itself, So, oh, man. I am determined, bro, to buy these rare Honda parts, especially BNIB, man. BNIB, I will, bro. I'm a connoisseur for these rare parts and BNIB parts. So I'm just so happy to add these to my collection here. I might have overpaid for them, but that doesn't even matter. At the end of the day, I'm a buyer. I'm not a seller. I really don't sell parts that I buy. It's rare. I could probably count with one hand how many parts I've sold from the parts that I bought. I just like to collect. I like to collect these parts a lot. And I'm a connoisseur for rare Datsun parts too, but I haven't really gotten into it just because I haven't, actually got into on pace to building that car just yet. So, but when it comes to the time of it, I definitely will do so. I don't know, for that car, it's kind of a little bit different. But for Honda things, I'm all in for buying these rare baller parts, BNIB. So, it's crazy, man. Now that I've shown you guys that, I think it's a good time to show you guys another little gem that I have, which I've been waiting to show you guys because I just haven't found the right time or the right moment to show you guys. But now I'm going to show you guys. Damn it, that puppy's on the bottom right there. This one I already opened. This one I've had it here for a minute, so let me show you guys. Ooh, this is the one, BNIB. So I basically have the spark plug one, BNIB. I have the battery tie down BNIB, and I just need an oil cap one, BNIB. Woo! Yeah, this one, the box is in, kind of a rough shape, but still BNIB. Look, that's a part number if you guys want to look at it. If you guys want to try to find it. It's taking me a minute to find these. Optional equipment. Legit. Certified. And this one too. This one still has the instructions in there. That's awesome. Doesn't get more legit than this. Optional equipment. Part number 08999 BTD 500. Too damn legit, man. It's awesome. Yeah, man, this thing's too damn nice. I don't know, this one looks like a little lighter. It's probably just the lighting. Not worried about it. It's legit, 100%. So, damn light, I have to change that light. Yeah, man, it's as legit as they come. So, I'm grateful for these, man. Hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I'm loving this. I have no idea when Honda discontinued these, but I know it's really hard to find these in used condition, and it's even harder to find them in used good condition, and then it's even harder to find them in BNIB condition. So yeah, man, you know, I'm just pretty lucky to have these in my possession, and you know, I don't see myself getting rid of these anytime soon. Like I said, I'm always collecting, I'm always buying, not really selling. So, you know, I just like to hang on to these things and just keep them, man. And this view is looking too damn nice, man. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. Quick little video, just want to show you guys a little cool BNIB and Honda optional accessories. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys next time. All right, guys, peace.